Hi, I'm Vlad and welcome to our new Leyland SDM store here in Bayswater. We're based at 96 Bishopsbridge Road and we're open 7 days a week for all your decorating and DIY needs. Leyland SDM is a growing business. This is already our 32nd store opening in London.
It's looking absolutely brilliant as usual. Fantastic location, a lot of footfall, so hopefully it'll be a really good success for us.
We have thousands of different products available in store, ranging from paint, electrical, plumbing, timber and hand tools, pretty much everything to help you carry out any job around your home. We have a paint mixing and color matching service in store with thousands of colors available to choose from. We've got a great team of experts here at Bayswater. Our staff are here to assist you with any queries and any sort of DIY or trade advice.
I know this shop quite well. My ward's just across the road. I think it's going to be a great asset for the area. I know there's obviously lots of construction work in terms of people doing their own work in DIY, but also lots of professionals as well who I think will find the store very helpful. New retail opening is always a good thing. It provides local employment, yeah, it's very welcome.
We're open to trade professionals and DIY enthusiasts as well, and we are looking forward to seeing you in our new store.